We're back. It has been way longer than I intended to make a new video. The truck had some problems. I had to rebuild the rear end. It needed new gears, put a limited slip differential in the back while we were back there. Really excited about that. Used Yukon gear and axle for anyone who cares about that stuff. We are working our way up along the North Fork of the Boise River. We're going to do some campfire chili. I'm going to try my hand at fly fishing, which you may or may not see video of. I'm not sure how that's going to look. I'm very novice. I've gone once before. I'm not very familiar with my gear. I definitely get impatient when I'm trying to tie knots and I can't get the tippet into the little eyelet. So probably, you know, if you were here in person, you would be laughing. Any music fans out there? I've got Charlie Crockett's Age of the Ram on repeat right now. Check it out. It's pretty good. I'll see you at the campsite. Oh my gosh, that's good. You hungry? Good boy. Oh, there you go. Had a nice little first night at camp. You know, mostly just getting settled, but I've got the heater ready to go. It's working and I'm really excited about it. I'll get Tex's bed made. My bed's ready to go. I've got my warm socks on. Should be a nice, easy night. If I had to guess, it's probably 25 to 30 degrees. It won't be any match for this Pendleton wool blanket. So, see you in the morning. I'm definitely not going to stay here all day. This is very much a campsite that you find in the middle of the night and then pivot from. Like I already said, I don't think the fishing's going to work out here. The river's really moving, but that's fine. I was lucky to find something last night. I was very surprised by how many people were out here, which is great. It's awesome to see people enjoying the outdoors. However, it was shocking. I felt like I was back in Oregon. Good boy. I can't give you all of it, but so I'm kind of torn. I don't think I'll find a more beautiful, serene camp spot than this. I have this whole area to myself. And as you just saw behind me, the river kind of divides. It's 3:30. It would be nice to kind of settle in, get a fire started. Tex, come here, bud. Come here. Bring it here. Bring it here. Let's see what this guy's got. Bring it here. What is that? Come on. What the? Tex seems to have found the... I'm gonna guess it's the ankle joint or knee joint of a deer. Looks kind of fresh. That's crazy, dude. Good boy. A treat. Good job. Wow. Tonight for dinner, we're going to do campfire chili. I'm extremely excited. The ground beef I have is from a local rancher that I bought a half a cow from about 6 months ago. I have all the raw ingredients and the fresh ingredients. So we're going to do some cooking. Going to use that new Walmart mess kit. I don't expect amazing things, but it'll do the trick. I'm not going to try to fish. I'm not at the right spot. I'm not going to force it. Just get frustrated and make me not like pursuing the hobby. So I'm going to save it for a time where I know that I'm setting myself up for success versus doing it here and forcing it and not having fun in the end. I'm just thinking about how this is going to go, cooking this over the fire. And I'm actually going to go ahead and cook it over the stove. I'm a comfort guy. And while that fire is doing exactly what I need it to, I've got everything I need right here. And, with something like this, I sort of prefer to be over it and working with it. So we're going to go ahead and do this. Plus, I need to heat up Texas dinner. For the bed, I've got a really great micro fleece blanket, super soft, warm, underneath this really thick Pendleton. Tex is on top of the blankets right now, but I'm gonna put him under those. He loves going under it, keeps him warm. And then of course I'll put the heater on, but it looks pretty cozy. Had a great night around the campfire. Listened to a couple podcasts, tried some night photography. I was kind of surprised at how well the Ricoh GR3 did. It's a compact camera, but I'm pretty impressed. I'm excited to climb in the truck. Have a few movies downloaded on my iPad to watch. Gonna cuddle with Tex, turn the heater on. It's gonna be nice. It's about 11:30. I'm gonna try to get up decently early tomorrow to get a head start on the day, knowing how long the drive back is gonna be on this testy road. I'm gonna climb in there. I will see you guys in the morning. That was a nice sleep. Huh? Yeah, here we go. Give me that. Had an amazing night's rest and woke up to a beautiful day. I wish yesterday was like this. Skies are clear, sun's out. It's pretty cold, but the heater is amazing. I know a lot of people use diesel heaters and stuff, and I get it. The Mr. Buddy heater generates a lot of condensation, but it's so easy and so convenient and not expensive. It's gonna be a nice slow morning. Getting camp tidied up, gonna get some coffee and sausage going. Gonna get Tex fed after he runs around and loosens up a little bit. He slept like a rock. It was hilarious. About the middle of the night, I turned the heater back on at like 4, and he peered out from under the blankie and said hello and got some nice head rubs. Zucchini bread kind of saved the camping trip. I didn't do a good job of bringing like a filler food. Sausage is light. Coffee, obviously, is light. This, if I put it in some of this browning butter, will be really good. See how long it is before Tex asks for a piece of sausage. Well, hello. I didn't expect to see you here. And there it is. now explored the Payette National Forest. We've explored the Boise National Forest just once each. I can see countless trips in both of these forests. There's countless Forest Service roads, amazing camping spots. I'm really enjoying getting familiar with the outdoors around the Boise area. I definitely crave getting a little further out towards Stanley. I would love to do like a long trip all the way up Idaho to Coeur d'Alene and Sandpoint. That's gonna have to wait, and plus I don't know how this truck's gonna do on a 7-hour road trip. Might have to save that for the Super Duty. These solo adventures are really recharging for me. You know, now I'm kind of coming home with a full battery. I do look forward to a camping trip where I can bring my whole family with me, but I also value this alone time with my dog quite a lot. It won't be such a long pause until the next video. With the truck going down, I wanted to do my research, let the money come together, and really rebuild the rear end the right way. Now that it's good to go, I plan on getting out about every 3 or 4 weeks. So I'm excited for the next one. If you have any recommendations on where I should go in this area, let me know. I'm in just exploration mode right now, trying to find those great spots for this summer. So I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.